Hi everybody, this is Chef Maria Bell and I am ready, absolutely ready, 100% ready to make for you today my Chef Maria's 3-ingredient Artisan Crusty Greek Bread. And as I usually do my classes now, I make it first and then I make it. Eat it and then make it for you. And this is it. Just came out the oven. What I'm going to do, I am going to cut a piece. I'm gonna put my delicious mix called strapazzata, which means, like everything a little bit, like tomato, egg, and cheese. Goes on bread. I will do that. First, I'm here. Put this in the sink. And cut a piece. Oh, crusty. Do you hear it? Look at this. This is the Greek artisan bread. This is the bread I grew up with. My mom would make it all the time. And there was no bread left past noon. We would eat it. So I'm gonna cut a small piece. I don't want to eat a whole bread. It is so rich and delicious. I'm gonna show you the crust. I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. It is soft and crusty outside. I'm gonna put it back here. I'm gonna move my bruschetta. I'm gonna make a piece of bruschetta from strapazzata. I have a little, see the egg, the tomato underneath. I'm gonna show you. See the egg, the tomato. I'm gonna show you the tomato. Maybe another piece. There you go. Tomato, a little salt, a little black pepper, and a little of that. So I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit. There's the tomato. I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna probably love it. This is out of this world. It's a breakfast thing. And you can eat it like this. Juicy. Fresh eggs. Sorry. Fresh tomatoes. Cheddar cheese. A little pepper, black pepper, and a little salt. But this, we're gonna do another time. See? There it is. This, we're gonna do another time. Today, we're gonna make the bread. 3-ingredient Chef Maria's Artisan Crusty Greek Bread. Why Greek? Why Greek? Because I'm Greek. We take a bowl. Watch now. Because every time I say it's easy, people look at me and they say, for you, Maria, it's easy. This time, it's easy also for you. Right here, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. In another time, we're going to talk about using spelt to do vegan flour and do a vegan bread. This time, we're going to do white bread. This is all-purpose white bread, white flour, 1 cup, 2 Okay? Oh, I love this. I'm gonna have another piece. It's all mine anyway after the video. Yeah, I'm gonna have another piece. I love it. 2 cups of all-purpose white flour. 3 cups all-purpose white flour. Half teaspoon salt. Okay? Half teaspoon salt. 2.5 teaspoons yeast. 2.5. Okay? Now, the next one is 2 cups warm water. 2 cups warm water. I'm going to get me a spoon and I'm going to mix it. Spoon, where are you? I'm going to mix it. There's my spoon. It's a wooden spoon because you're going to put some energy, love, and strength to this mixture so it will all mix well. So you can see the flour, you can see the water, the yeast is inside. So vigorously I am mixing it all together. Okay? Look at this. You can see it's wet. The mix is wet. It's not totally thick, dry, it's wet. And this is the perfect mixture. After this, you're gonna have to wait 2 hours until it rises. I will come back after 2 hours and take it, move it in a pan, and bake it. Okay? Take it all from the spoon. You don't want to waste anything. Not a little crumb, not a little piece. Okay? Put this in the sink. No, we don't want to waste this. It goes inside. Goes in the sink. And then we will take saran wrap, plastic wrap, and cover it. Okay. Tie it. Keep it on a warm place around where the stove is. Sometimes what I do, I'm going to show you a very good trick. I'm going to have one more piece. Jealous. Oh my God. Did you ever cook eggs with tomato, cheese together? Little olive oil, little black pepper, and little salt? Well, this is Greek. It's called strapazzata. So, look at this. It's all tied. You can leave it where it is, but this is what I use on the top of all that. I take my cake, turn it upside down, I want to make sure 100% that the plastic wrap or saran wrap, as it's called, is not gonna move by itself. I doubt it, but to be on the safe side, put something on the top. Either a towel and tie it on the side, or I just put this. Every time I make a bread, I put this. I make lots of bread every day. I sell it at the farmers markets. I am here in Radcliffe, Kentucky. My number is 502-821-0275. Now, I have 2 people there watching. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat another piece of that. I'm gonna tell you how to make it. I will, because I cannot stop eating it. So this goes on the top of bread, or you can eat it just like that. It's egg, cheese, and tomato. And it's Greek. And it's called strapazzata. If any Greek friend watches my video, he will know. She will know what I mean. Back to the bread. 2 hours from here. Don't worry about it. Once you put something heavy on the top, make sure the saran wrap stays in place. Make sure you use a, I would say, stainless steel container, because you need to beat that flour until it all mixes well. Leave it in a warm place in the kitchen, on the counter, kitchen counter. Set your time, the time you finished it. Not the time you ate the bread, the time you finished it, making the bread. And 2 hours, set the alarm and come back. I try to do all my breads, all my loaves the same time, so I know when to come back and bake it. So when you come back, when the alarm goes off, you take it out. No kneading. Kneading. Not kneading N-E-E-D-I-N-G. Kneading means K-N-E-A-D-I-N-G. Kneading, like, oh my God, I got to work so hard. I don't want another bread in my life. Not that kneading. Stay around, I might have some more of strapazzata. Anyway, put it in like we have done with the other baking. Get parchment paper, put it inside. Look, I will show you. A trick that you never have to wash anything again. Any pan, you cut this, you see, you have to align it, and once you align it, you have to go bam and cut it. So here's my loaf pan, okay, put it on the top, but I'll be back, not today, but next class. See? The parchment paper, you put your mix inside, bake it. Try to bring the edges together so they won't fly around the oven. If you have a conventional oven. And 400, pre-warmed for 15 minutes. I always check. That's me. If you want to do exact the time and go on your phone or go on Facebook, that's up to you. But I always check on the 15 minutes. And you're going to have this wonderful Greek artisan crusty bread. Let me go back. Chef Maria's 3 ingredient Artisan Crusty Greek Bread. This is Chef Maria Bell. Like I said, I'm in Ratcliffe, Kentucky. I do go to farmers markets Tuesdays and Fridays at Vine Grove Farmers Market. Wednesday, 4 to 7, Doe Valley Farmers Market. And Saturday, Raineyville Farmers Market, 10 to 2. The one in Vine Grove is, I go 9 to 3, but the other vendors go around that time, 8:30 until 5. I have a lot of cooking to do because I also do meal prep, Chef Maria's meal prepping. I cook for people who are busy working and people that are a little older and they don't feel like cooking. I do that also. I do all kinds of prep meals. This is Chef Maria Bell again. This is what we did today. Bread, right here. And we come back. You come back, I come back too. So I can show you in 2 hours. I put it in the oven. Maybe I can come back. Maybe in another class we do just bread. I have to go now. Thank you so much for watching. Absolutely love you and see you next time. Bye-bye. Have to get my glasses. I'm here. Have to get my glasses. I have to see. I'm glad I didn't know. Mary, Divine. Yeah, hi Mary and Christy. Hi. I got to finish. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you make that bread, okay? Call me if you have any questions.